I guess sky is the limit, and it might even compete the Great Wall of China. But with Vigilant, I guess you won't even need that one brick. It's all about making Redline's history.
Well, if we had a penny for every time that's said on site, maybe there would be no budget constraints on site anymore.
Well, it's the person who borrowed it, and to find out where that person is located in that huge construction site, which is very rare. People won't find it anywhere, and people won't know if that's the one which I was finding, or they'll get down to something else at the end.
I guess you said you're working on a feature to track both.
Could be, yeah.
Well, if we run out of nails, maybe the site will stop. But if we run out of Wi-Fi, everybody will know that the site has stopped. So it is actually very important.
Countless, I would say. But sticky notes are great, obviously, until they become the wallpaper in your office. But with Vigilant, one platform does it all, and it won't even stick your fingers. So yeah.
Well, even the strongest coffee cannot fix the endless paperwork that we have, starting from the approvals to checklists to submittals, and every time piling up all those works in just one or two office. Maybe one digital platform can resolve all those paperwork or as well as the hard work into just simpler format.
Maybe after the 100 delay, you will probably get the construction enlightenment.
For sure.
There will be as many as coffee breaks needed. There will be no amount of coffee that will say, okay, I will be able to resolve it. And us, we cannot give you the coffee breaks, of course, or we cannot give the coffee to fill out those gaps. But through a digital tool such as ours, you will easily be able to manage if there are any issues which comes up just random.
I would say definitely expectations, because concrete doesn't argue back. And with our team, with our platform, the teamwork is like just fresh slap.
Well, it's saying like you are finding a grain in the lot of beach where you have lots of sand, and many times construction industry, you cannot predict what is going to happen, when it is going to happen, but you can at least forecast something and try to arrange accordingly and try to get a proper digital platform to manage it.
Well, it starts with the optimism from them, then it turns into denial, and before you know, everything is utter chaos.